Okay, here are some more central air conditioning units at another hotel right by our hotel here in Minnesota. Here's this unit. And these units, I've also filmed before. I last filmed these in September 2023. This unit's Carrier Comfort. Currently not running. This one's a 410 from 2021. Has a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. And then right here are two interesting Bryant units. Both not running right now. Here's this one. Has a Copeland scroll by the looks of it. This one's a 1.5 ton from 2023. And this one I believe is the same thing. Not been running. I think this one might have been running. And then there's one more unit over here. Here's a Lennox unit. Currently not running. Yeah, these were all running last time I filmed these. This one's a 3 ton from 1999. Ooh. Just came on. It scared me. What the heck? It just turned off. I think it was just short cycling. Line set's not cold. Yeah, that was weird. Here are these units again. Yeah, I think this one has been running. And here's this Carrier again. But yeah. In my opinion, these two Bryant units are interesting units because they're these are actually the gray design units, not the tan design units that Bryant units usually are. So I wonder if this is a specific type of Bryant unit. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.